Hi, I'm Mary Rogers. My husband Ken and I recently purchased this 1980 Corvette. Needed some work done to it, and we did a little online research, and Ken found Legendary Auto.
Yeah, so we, like she said, we purchased it about 2 months ago. Needed some work done after we got it, came down, met with Jason. He's the mechanic here that works on the Corvettes. Did really good, told us what he was going to be doing. Told us how we could follow up on it. They actually do videos and live camera shots of what they find wrong with it. One of the things I like best about it, after doing the research, they have a very good reputation here. Jason will give you a breakdown on not only what they found wrong, but what you need to fix and what priority. They do great work. They guarantee their work. They're very quick. So if you need some work done on your recently purchased or old, new Corvette or any other vehicle, come down, talk with Jason here at Legendary Automotive in Fort Myers. I guarantee you'll like the work that they do.
The next time you need quality service, call Legendary Automotive and Truck Repair Service. Be sure to visit our website to learn more about us and to take advantage of our service specials. www.legendaryfl.com. We want to earn your business.